Right now I'm watching crude oil on my daily chart. Let's pull that up. All right, so on my daily chart of crude, we're in stage one, testing the mini supply level. Yesterday tried to go, really made an indecision candle. The upside auction is starting to deteriorate. I don't see a excess high. That's the only thing I don't like, but I do think this upside auction is deteriorating. And right now, boom, we opened up out of balance. As you can see, not having a strong buyer down low, letting me know higher time frame is accepting lower prices. Yesterday had a weak high, opened up out of balance auction, found acceptance within yesterday's value area. So I'm looking for pullbacks and I'm looking for the market to potentially trade all the way back down to either the yesterday's fairest price or value area low. Now, the fact that we had a low conviction open lets me know that price is probably going to revert to the mean of yesterday. And that's exactly what I'm looking to get, some type of reversion to the mean trade. So I'm going to put these fibs on. Boom. Probably start selling somewhere in this area. And have a take profit down near the 50s or that pivot point. Alright, so I just put one contract on. Don't really like that entry. If we come into the 86 to 90 level, I'll sell some more. And upside protection, it'll be above D period high, so above 79, then I'll be out. And I'm looking for the market to do some kind of retracement. Boom, if we trace back above the 8, then boom, break back down below it, then I'll be adding on to this position. Other than that, I'm gonna let this trade work. Alright, I just sold another contract, trying to scale into this trade. Looking for the market to break down. I'm gonna take one off right above 51,
Order submitted.
and I'll let the remainder of this position work. Let's look left, see what we got here. We're probably gonna get a stall around this level, as this is a level that took us to new highs. And yeah, man, we just gonna
Order canceled.
wait it out and see. I'm really monitoring for continuation off of my market profile, not the chart. So as long as I can get price to hold below D periods high, then I'm bearish. Really above 90, we shouldn't come back above that, honestly. All right, right now the market's starting to push down to that level. Yesterday's fairest price. I might go ahead and scale out one of these. We're getting a big rejection off of that level.
Order filled.
All right, so I
Order canceled.
just took profit on one of those. Now I'm gonna let the last one work. Thinking about moving this protection to break even. But we'll see. See if I can take that last one off. This is where I have trouble at how to ride these winners. Now if this trade starts holding in the red, then I'm gonna take it off. But right now we holding green, so I'm gonna hold on to it. Alright, I'm probably about to take this position off. We starting to make a wick forming low. That's a form of excess on big volume. And we pretty much at yesterday's fairest price, which is right here. So I know we're gonna stall out probably. Market has the potential to come down here, but market been one time frame and higher, so I'm not trying to predict that move just yet. Just working on putting good trades on at the moment, and taking them off. So we close back above
Order submitted.
here. I'm gonna get out with a profit, and that's gonna be it for this trade, y'all. Gotta get used to holding on to my winners and not letting winners turn into losers. So we looking for the market to hold below this level. If not, then we out. Just gonna trail this stop. All right, I'm probably about to take this trade off right here.
Order canceled.
I'm about 20 ticks on that. I'll take that all day long.
Order filled.
All right, boom. So I just got out of that trade. Now, I know this trade has the potential to come all the way down to here, 77.89. But at the moment, I'm just not working on that right now. Working on putting good trades on, taking them off while they still making good money, and not holding on to losers. So once again, the reason I took this trade is because price opened out of balance, but we found acceptance within yesterday's value area. So once we got that low conviction open, was letting me know that we probably gonna auction back down to yesterday's fairest price, which was here, and that's exactly what happened. And took it to the charts, candlestick charts, and seen that we touched the supply level, came out of that level when it was pretty much a simple pullback that sold off, and I got about 20 points out of that on two contracts, and that's it. Scaled into a winner, scaled out of a winner. See y'all on the next trade.